favorite vegetable is a little bit like picking your favorite child. It almost feels like sacrilege to all the other vegetables. But if I really had to say my favorite, I'd probably pick bok choy. Sorry, other vegetables. What do I love so much about bok choy? Well, what's not to love? To begin with, it's nice for people who don't like the stronger flavor and texture of dark leafy greens. It's also just light and refreshing, and if you cook it right, it stays nice and crisp tender. By the way, moms, kids love it. It's just all around delicious. So now let me show you how to cut it.
How do you prepare greens like baby bok choy? So I've already washed this once like this. Now I'm going to cut off a little bit of this stem part. I'm going to slice it lengthwise. And now I'm going to wash it again just to make sure I'm getting any dirt that could be hiding in there. You'll see lots of recipes where you just basically steam it or saute it like this. It can look really pretty. However, if you wish to chop it up smaller into bite-sized pieces, then you'll just want to lay this flat, chop off this little end piece that's holding it all together, and you'll want to make sure you've gotten all of that so you can even do a little triangular cut. That tends to be a little bit tougher and not so tasty. So just remove this little piece. Now that you have all your pieces here, you're just going to line them up and cut them into whatever thickness you like. Generally bite-sized pieces, although if you want to thinly slice your bok choy for some reason, you can do that too. And there's your nicely chopped bok choy.
So now it's time to run out to the grocery store and buy all the bok choy your heart desires. You are going to fall in love with this green vegetable, just like I have. So enjoy! I'll see you the next time.